we have a kind of a tight time deadline. Well, this is for week 2, my 50 weeks of adventure. We're up here at Alpental. We're gonna ride the lifts up to the top, traverse over to Bryant, Couloir, ski that, and see what time of day it is. Maybe go walk up to the ridge of Snow Lake, Bluebird, a little dust on crust. It's gonna be good. So Bryant Peak is right there, and Bryant Couloir is on the other side. That's where that shade is at. We started our traverse over to Bryant Couloir. We're out of the Alpental back or ski area. Now we're officially in the side country. It looks absolutely beautiful.
Put in my my high-tech ski crampons on because it's rock hard out here, and Devyn normally smokes my ass on the uphill. Not today.
We're gonna do a little transition to skins. We have probably, I'd say, a few hundred feet to the top, so about an hour and a half of climbing, and we're gonna be at the top of this ridge right there. Well, hopefully right there is the summit, because I think me and Adrian are whooped.
Yeah, and it's pretty fucking icy.
So we're at the top of Bryant Couloir. It looks freaking rowdy. Zach, this guy we just met, that was gonna do the same line, just went down. He's waiting for us at the bottom. I think we're gonna transition and head our butts down there. It looks really rad, like super cool. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on and you're gonna get a full run of this Couloir. Whew. Ready? 3, 2, 1, dropping. Well, we made it out. That Bryant Couloir was freaking crazy. Conditions could have been better, could have been less icy, but we made it down and got some sweet turns. And now we're just gonna start bushwhacking our way back to the car. I think we're pretty wrecked. That climb really killed me at least. Yeah, so let's get back to the car. Well, we're grabbing a beer, and much deserved beer. And yeah, if you want to like this video and subscribe to my channel, it'd be sick. Follow along with the 2 weeks of adventure. This year's gonna be pretty rad. We're getting into some real mountains this year, and yeah. So I guess I'll see you guys on the trails, and I'll catch you on the next one.